Meaning of fathom.
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 Fathom. Fathom is a verb that means to understand or comprehend something deeply or thoroughly. It can also refer to measuring the depth of water, using a unit of measurement equal to 6 feet. In other words, to fathom something is to grasp its full extent or significance. As a figurative term, it is often used to describe the process of exploring or uncovering complex ideas or emotions. It requires careful consideration and an open mind to truly fathom the depths of a subject. Additionally, it is important to note that the term can have different shades of meaning in different contexts.